Hello, what's going on this lovely 21st day of March? Now, yesterday they said it was spring. I always thought spring started on the 21st. So I might be wrong. So I did a calculation, right? From the 21st. Well, they actually said it starts at 6 o'clock at night. Imagine a specific time for the universe to change dates and times. The universe changing dates and times. Look, from the ground, pills. You become a heart patient, they give you pills. Do they work? Have they saved any lives? What have they thought of in the last 30, 40, 50 years? Is there one simple question they forgot to ask themselves that in 30 years from now, they'll come out with one of these aspirin and they'll say, they're no good for you. This one is an antacid. That'll cause one effect. This little one here, I don't like its color. They broke it in half. I don't know what they did when they broke it in half. What were they eating? Doesn't matter. Germs are good for you. That's right. I don't really like to wash my hands a lot of the time, pending what I'm touching and for cleanliness. Because if somebody comes into your house and they're not as strong as your immune system is, then, you know, they don't want a dirty person. So just for the neighbors and everybody else, I tend to wash a little more often than not. Now, this special pill. Pharmacy didn't tell me that they changed the name on it because they couldn't get the order. Well, I just dropped it on the floor. Dropped it on the floor. I'll take out another one. This one said, watch out the other day. Unless you're a heart patient, don't take it. You may have excessive bleeding. Oh, you mean they made a mistake in a drug? Well, hold on a second. Let me read this newscast. Fatal shooting. Well, we don't need fatal shooters. I'll just take one of these. Forget about those fatal shootings. I just put a brand, I didn't work at the airport, but I was reading this article online and it said, new computer system in airplane. Let's send it off to France to be discussed. We'll have a set of groups. Special people will pick. Who's going to pick these special people? Who are the pickers? Got to watch out for those pickers, right? Especially the berry pickers. You don't know where their fingers have been, right? Who's picking what and who knows what and what's the truth, unless you do the science yourself. So what I'm going to get onto in this video right now, we'll get rid of these pills. I did a little piece on the floor last night. I redid that whole structure of the floor. It was used from walking on it. There's still a little outline. I have a short film I put together, but because it didn't come out good, I never posted it. I do not like the orange really in this room. I like it in that room. I like the darker scraped orange in this room. Right? Put that little loop-de-loop. And this piece over here is to climb the ladder. And you know what? I'm going to get into that thing. No one watches videos longer than 4 minutes. Mr. Tack Pants is on. Oh, that crazy guy? I'll give him at least 2 minutes of my time. Time's up. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I look like one of the Smurfs.